Introduction. Life, in its incredible diversity and complexity, is composed of a fascinating array of compounds. From the fundamental elements that form the basis of all matter to the intricate molecules that drive biological processes, these compounds are the building blocks of life. In this article, we will delve into the world of organic and inorganic compounds, exploring their roles, structures, and significance in the composition of living organisms. Inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds, despite their name, play vital roles in the functioning of living organisms. These compounds are typically derived from non-living sources and are essential for various physiological processes. Water, H2O. Water is the universal solvent, enabling countless biochemical reactions to occur within living organisms. It serves as a medium for transportation of nutrients, removal of waste, and maintenance of temperature regulation. The unique properties of water, such as its high heat capacity and surface tension, contribute to the stability and homeostasis of living systems. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic compounds required by organisms in small quantities for proper functioning. They serve as cofactors for enzymes, play a role in nerve conduction, and contribute to the formation of skeletal structures. Examples include calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for various physiological processes. 2. Organic compounds. Organic compounds, primarily composed of carbon and hydrogen, are the backbone of life. They are the building blocks of cellular structures, energy sources, and informational molecules. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, with a general formula of CH2ON. They serve as a primary source of energy for cells, providing fuel for metabolic processes. Examples of carbohydrates include glucose, fructose, and starch, which are essential for cellular respiration and energy storage. Lipids. Lipids are hydrophobic organic compounds that include fats, oils, and waxes. They serve as a long-term energy storage form, providing insulation and protection for organs. Additionally, lipids are vital components of cell membranes and play a role in cell signaling and hormone production. Conclusion. The compounds that compose living organisms, both organic and inorganic, form the foundation of life itself. From the simplicity of water to the complexity of nucleic acids and proteins, these compounds interact and collaborate to sustain the incredible diversity and functionality of living systems. Understanding the roles and significance of these compounds not only deepens our appreciation for the intricacy of life but also offers insights into the remarkable adaptability and resilience of living organisms. As we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of these compounds, we gain further knowledge of the delicate balance and interconnectedness that underlies the wonders of life.